Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you. I just wanted to make a quick little unboxing video of a package that I got from Nightingale College today. I am an advanced placement learner, so this is my first kit package, and so let's get right on the video. I'm guessing this is for BSN 346. Let's open it up. BSN 346 materials. It says it includes a reflex hammer, pregnancy, gestation, age wheel, a glove set. If you're an advanced placement learner, you will also find in this package materials for your remaining courses at Nightingale College. Please make sure that you keep all of these materials, as you will have to replace them yourself at your cost if you damage or misplace them. So we have pregnancy wheel, reflex hammer, and a pair of gloves and alcohol wipes. So you get a backpack or badge reel, a whiteboard. Heavy. There's another box, and then another box inside. So we'll see what it is. We'll open this one. My them. And we have a couple more. I'm not really sure what these are, but this looks like a wound. More paddings, another padding, looks like a for an ostomy. And then we have this guy. I'm guessing this is a stand. Y'all already know what that is. I'm gonna explain myself. And then we have a head. How creepy, but really cool. So that's all what came into this box. Let's open up this one. This is the Oculus, I'm guessing, because that's the only thing that's left. So wow. So this is the MetaQuest 2. I've never used a VR before. So this is kind of cool. When you open up the box, it looks like this. Really neat. You get the headset and you get 2 controllers for each of your hands. It's a silicone cover for the goggles. So that's all I have for you guys today. Just a quick little unboxing on what I got from Nightingale College as an advanced placement learner in the BSN program, hybrid program. So you'll probably get more packages than me if you start from the very beginning. The classes that I've passed for the HESIs, you're gonna get multiple packages throughout the year, throughout your program. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here, and I hope this video was somewhat helpful on what you're gonna get, and I'll see you guys next time.